We are going to do a tour of Bay Lake Tower Deluxe Studio. We got really lucky, ladies and gentlemen. This is our room, 7914. We are on the 9th floor of the Bay Lake Tower. Here is our lovely room. So as you first walk in, you will see the kitchenette off to your right. The kitchenette comes with toaster and coffee pot, and coffee accessories, and some paper plates. Some glasses though for your drinks, some coffee mugs, microwave, and you have your small fridge and kitchen sink. Then to the right, we have the bathroom. Now the first thing you notice when you walk in is the zero entry shower that is handicap accessible for this room. Very nice. And to the right, you have a full tub with your sink and vanity. And I have to crouch down. Good. Hello. Awesome part about the shower is it comes with a bench and the H2O accessories. Always very nice. Handheld shower, and then the one on the wall and the commode in the corner. Then we go out into the bedroom area. It has this lovely closet. Closet has your safe, extra blankets and pillows. Kind of a smaller closet for a DVC room, but we are staying here for one night. It does have a standard TV. They haven't got one of the smart TVs in here. It did not welcome us in. I was sad, but it's okay. We do have this chest of drawers, this table and chairs over here, and then to my left, we have the pull-out couch bed with some great contemporary art. Mickey over there, and then our queen-sized bed for the two of us to stay in. But I haven't shown you the best part. Look at the view. Oh, look who it is.
Just admiring this amazing view.
Look at what we get to see out our window. That is incredible. You have Cinderella Castle, Tomorrowland over there. You have Space Mountain and Tron, and this is right out our window. And we are on the 9th floor, so as you can see, we're way above the ground here. But again, this is the Bay Lake Tower Deluxe Studio. What do you think?
This is awesome.
And here's the view in the morning. So, a quick review of this hotel. I like the bed. It was perfectly comfortable. The room is actually feels pretty wide. But my main thing is that it really needs an update. First thing, the smart TV, that welcome home to your family name just really hits the right place when it gets there. So getting that, I mean, I can't complain about this view. I mean, it's absolutely incredible. I mean, that's the Magic Kingdom right over there. There's Cinderella Castle and Space Mountain and Tron, Astro Orbiter. I mean, you can't complain about the view. But the room itself, it really needs an update. Some of the fixtures are loose. Now, don't get me wrong, it's still a nice room. It's still in a good place. It's just that it's a deluxe resort. It shouldn't have those things. I do like the zero entry shower. That's my first experience with one here at Disney. That was fun, except the shower head is probably in need of a cleaning because the water pressure was really low, and that's unusual for Disney. I don't usually complain of the water pressure. So I just think that this room just needs an update, and after that it'll be great. Now, I do have to admit, while Michelle and I are childless adults, we do actually like it better without the Murphy bed because then we get a table instead of that pull-down bed. So we liked having the table. We actually ate at it last night, and not having the Murphy bed in its place was kind of nice. However, for a larger family, we can understand why you would need it. Anyway, we've really enjoyed our stay here. Unfortunately, we only get one night. We don't get to see fireworks. I guess we'll just have to put it on our bucket list. You should check out that video. But we hope you like this tour and review of Bay Lake Tower Deluxe Studio. And like we always say, we don't like to say goodbye because we're gonna see you real soon. So we say, see you bye.